everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you are fine. Our letter this time is ra. Ra. It is the equivalent of R, but its sound is clear of trilling and curling. Simply say r, r. For more on how to pronounce the Arabic r, please check its episode in the alphabet series. This is the shape of ra in the isolated form. Come on, get a pen and paper and let's draw ra. It's just a simple curved line. Once more. If you would like, pause the video here and try to draw it. And please pronounce it as you draw it. R, r. When ra comes in initial position, it stands alone, just like this. In a medial or final position, however, its shape changes a bit. It comes attached to a connecting segment extended from the previous letter. We start from the extended segment coming from the previous letter and continue with ra. The connecting segment, then ra. Now, let's check some examples to see these two forms in actual words. Here is ra in the initial position. It stands totally alone, taking the isolated form. In the medial position, it joins the preceding letter that ended in a connecting segment. Here in the final position, it takes the same shape as in the medial, starting from the connecting segment. Sometimes, ra comes preceded by a non-connecting letter, a letter that can't provide a connecting segment. In this case, ra stands alone, taking the isolated form. Sure, you must have noticed that ra itself is a non-connecting letter. So, whether it comes in the isolated form or the connected form, it can't provide a connecting segment for the following letter. Please practice writing the two forms. You will find the writing sheet to help you with your practice on the link in the description box below. And remember to pronounce the sound of ra as you draw it. R, r.